So, you are coming, I mean to say, the Indians who are present here, from a country where Krishna appeared. It is a great fortune for you that you have taken your birth in India. It is not ordinary fortune. So why? To take Indian birth, to take birth in India, automatically they are advanced in spiritual knowledge. Still, so much fallen condition of India, still you go to a village, they will very easily understand Krishna consciousness. Without any advanced education, because by birthright they have got this knowledge. In Vrndavana, when we walk on the street, the thela-walla, the cartsmen, the milkmen carrying milk, immediately they offer namaskara. Swami. The other day, I think you are present, we are walking, so we enter one field just for walking. So the villagers, the cultivators, they came to congratulate us, to receive us. Swamiji, it is our great fortune that you have come to our field. But in this country, if I would have entered in another place, perhaps would have brought charge of trespass or might shut down. So that is the difference still. That by birthright they are Krishna conscious.